Alright, I'd like to pick up where I left off in the previous video to make special note of one of the results here, okay? If you look down to number 12, treating the hyperactive child, and you click on this particular article, it looks like it's a full text and it appears to be about children and ADHD. However, there's this interesting bibliographic information up at the top about another resource. And as I look around, I notice words like the authors. I want you to be aware that sometimes you can get results like this, which are not actual articles. This is a book review. Journals, even peer-reviewed journals, often review books written on these kinds of medical topics and put the reviews in the journals for professionals to read. So be careful that when you see something that looks like this, that maybe has information about your topic, and you can see many instances in which your search terms appear in the article, be aware that this isn't actually research. It's not actually an article. Okay? So be on the lookout for results like this. So let's return to our search results just one last time to take a look and see if there's anything else that we might find useful. Let's look at number 13. Brain games as a potential non-pharmaceutical alternative for the treatment of ADHD. This looks rather interesting, especially if perhaps my research is on alternative treatments of ADHD, which would be an interesting topic. And here we do have an abstract, so I can go ahead and read what it is about first. Alright, so this is a case in which you might know that you want to look for articles on the alternative treatment of ADHD, and this article would be really great for your purposes. So I hope through my breakdown of which articles might be useful for what, you can apply this to your own searches. So ask yourself some of the same questions that I was asking myself. Is this too specific? Is it also about another condition that's not related to what I'm researching? Is it not actually an article but a book review? Okay? And continue to sift through results by this process. After you do a few general searches, you may want to look over here at this box here called Related Subjects, where you can click on all of these links to other searches of search terms related to those found in this article. So remember what I said early on about how research in a lot of ways is about browsing and looking through information and being open to inspiration. So take the time to click through the different links on the articles and in the database, and I'm sure you'll find something useful. Additionally, be open to maybe modifying your topic. Maybe you find a couple really great articles about alternative treatment of ADHD, but you started off with your topic being simply ADHD and adults. But now you'd like to turn the focus of your research to alternative treatments because of what you have found in the database. That's fine. And in some ways, that's a really cool thing about research, is learning about new things that you didn't know you would be interested in. So remember, you're not married to your topic. You can always change the focus of it slightly. And if you have any questions about that or any questions about what you find, email me right away. In the next video, I will demonstrate a different database, an EBSCO database.